Okay guys, so you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to you know download YouTube videos for free. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, and as you can see I'm in my phone menu. So what you have to do when you get to your phone menu is to open YouTube. So as you can see, this is my YouTube account. So to download the video, you don't have to use any application or any software. What you have to do is to just tap over here, which is the search bar, and search for the videos that you want. So let's say I'm going to use my channel for example. So when you get to my channel like this, and you want to download a certain video on my channel, you go to the video section like this, tap on this over here, and you're going to see download over here. So just tap on this download. Then after that, you are going to see this download quality. We have medium, which is 360p, which is 2.5 megabyte, and we have very low if you don't have a lot of storage. So with this we are going to get 144p, which is 1.6 megabyte, but I recommend this to you because with this one you're going to get it in a high quality. And with this one, which is the high one, it's for those who are into YouTube Premium. So as you can see, those who pay YouTube amount of money without seeing ads on videos, so that those people are going to get high quality videos, and that's it. So I recommend this to you, the medium, which is 360p. That one too is also cool. So to download it, just tap over here and you are going to get it downloaded on your on your YouTube account. So when you tap on it and you download it, it's going to be around this place. You tap on you, which is the profile over here. Let me show you. So this profile, and when you get to this place, what you have to do is to come to this section, downloads. So you tap on the downloads and you are going to see movie that you have downloaded. And with this, what I really like about this is you can watch videos, the downloaded videos on YouTube without any data. So when you don't have any data bundle or Wi-Fi, you can watch videos. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.